What does it cost to hire a lawyer to help you with your workers' compensation case in North Carolina? That's a great question, and a lot of people have that question, but I've got the answer for you. Workers' compensation lawyers in North Carolina work on what we call a contingent fee. That means their fee is contingent on getting you a favorable outcome for your case. The standard percentage of a contingent fee that lawyers in North Carolina charge is 25%. Everybody charges the same amount because the North Carolina Industrial Commission approves the fees, and by custom and tradition, that's the amount that the Industrial Commission will approve for a lawyer, 25%. Now, lawyers may vary about what they apply that 25% to. A lot of us just apply the 25% to the final settlement in the case. Sometimes we apply the 25% to the obtaining of weekly benefits for you when those have been denied. And some lawyers will even maybe ask for a 25% fee on a Medicare set-aside arrangement. I personally ask for a 25% fee when I've added value to the case, meaning I've gotten the weekly checks started or continued for you, and I've settled your case. Most lawyers do what I do. In addition to the 25% fee, you can also expect to reimburse the lawyer for the cost advances, the expenses of the case. If the case goes into litigation, there are going to be certain expenses for court reporters and other things which can run into several $100s, and those typically are required to be reimbursed by the client at some point in the case. Worst case scenario, those expenses would run somewhere between $300 and $1,500 per case, depending on how much litigation is involved. Now, the thing about the 25% fee is every lawyer charges the same amount. So the guy who has 25 years of experience charges you the same percentage as the lawyer that just got out of law school and hung out his shingle last week. They're both going to charge you the same percentage. So it pays to shop around and look for a lawyer with appropriate experience before hiring one for your workers' compensation case. I'm Bob Bollinger, Board Certified Specialist in Workers' Compensation Law, Charlotte, North Carolina. And I'd be glad to answer your specific questions if you just get in touch with me. Thanks.